My name's Kirsty, I'm an occupational health nurse, but I've also joined the programme as a vaccinator.
Well, I'm a volunteer at Wiston Hospital, and they were asking for volunteers to come along and help out with this vaccine service here.
Hi, my name's Helen. I'm one of the nurses and I've been vaccinating here at the COVID mass vaccine programme this morning.
Oh, I've absolutely loved it. I mean, it's history in the making. It's something to tell your kids that you've been part of a solution, and everyone's been so welcoming, everyone's been so friendly, and the patients have just been so excited to come and get it.
It's been absolutely amazing. The public who've been attending, they've been so happy, so pleased. It just seems so efficient and it's such a good vibe.
You know, it's been absolutely marvellous. I didn't even have time to sit down as I walked in. I was straight through. I was expecting to have quite a wait. But no, I think I've only been here about 5 minutes altogether. The nurse explained everything in great detail, so I had no worries whatsoever.
Obviously, in the heart of St Helens, being at St Helens Rugby Ground as well has just been a massive thing for people to come. I'm so proud to be at Rugby Stadium and so proud to tell my friends and family. My mum's been texting everyone to say I've been part of it, and yeah, I've just absolutely loved it.
The fact that they're rolling out all these centres is making a big difference. So yeah, I think it's most reassuring, and hopefully we can get back to some normality.
I feel that there's a real sense of hope now. I really feel that there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Everyone has been so grateful to be receiving the vaccine this morning, and it's just fantastic to work with lovely people. There's a real great atmosphere here.